What's good, Career Wars? It's your boy Anthony Harris. Are you applying to thousands of jobs and not hearing back anything from any hiring managers or recruiters? It's not you or your skill set. It's honestly your resume. And there is a red flag hidden in your resume at this very moment that we need to fix. And what is that red flag? And let's talk about it. That red flag is simply listing your soft skills in your resume. So you simply put in your bullet points on your skill section, great communicator, great team player, great leader. That's fine and dandy, but you don't need to simply list that into your skill sets. You need to show that through your bullet points and your actions. So instead of saying great team player, you need to say led and co-collaborated with a team of 5 to complete a project 2 weeks ahead of schedule. So that amplifies and showcases that you are a team player and that you're able to get the job done in a timely fashion. But you don't need to include that just as a standard bullet points on your soft skills. You need to actually show that through your bullet points on your resume. That gets the hiring managers and recruiters' attention because it shows action that you're able to complete a task and it shows that you gave value to that company. So if you need any career assistance, make sure you click the link down in the description. We're going to be very honest. 2025 is going to be a tough job market. They're taking people up to upwards of 12 months in order to find a job. But with the optimized resume, my clients are seeing progress and able to land a job in 2 months or less. Remember, if there are 1,000 people applying to jobs and your resume is not at the caliber as even the top 5% of the people applying for the job, you're not going to be brought in for an interview from the hiring manager. Your resume needs to be optimized, especially in time and climates like this, job markets like this, in order to get the hiring manager and recruiter's attention to show them how you're a perfect fit for the job and why they need to bring you in for an interview. So if you don't want to take the 12-month time frame in order to keep endlessly applying to jobs and getting frustrated in the process, please click the link down in the description. All of my resume services are currently 50% off, in which you could get a customized resume template for as low as $40, and you could get a customized resume and cover letter done professionally by me and my team, which I've been a hiring manager for over 10 years. So I definitely know exactly what the hiring managers and recruiters are looking for. You could get that service as low as $100. So if you need anything else for Warriors, please let me know. Peace.